Hello viewers, so we hope you are doing fine. So in this video we will show you a electrostatic charge eliminator. It is tabletop type version. It's very useful for clean room application. It's of a fully metallic body. The model is EST set 28 and it is sold by India Enterprises. So in this video we will give you an overview of this product and we will explain its features also. So let's start and see what is inside this box. So let us unbox it. So first thing you will notice is will be the calibration certificate. It is factory calibrated and it is certificate is valid for 1 year. You will see also see the operating manual. Next is the dust filter. This is the main unit. You can see the fully stainless steel body. Normally these ionizer comes in plastic body, but it is fully stainless steel body, so it's perfect for clean room applications. Next is this power cord. It is operated on 230-volt AC. So now we will explain the its various parts and their features also. See, you can see the stainless steel body, which is very useful for clean room application. Next is this fan. Fan is kept inside this enclosure. And next is this cleaning knob. With the help of this cleaning knob, you can clean the electrodes when dust is accumulated on these electrodes. So by rotating this cleaning knob clockwise, we can clean the electrodes periodically, so that the airflow and ionization is efficient. Next is this LED indication. This LED indication shows that the airflow contains the positive and negative ions. The extreme right is the on off switch. With the help of this on off switch, we can switch on and off this unit. And the extreme bottom is the airflow knob. By rotating this knob clockwise or anti-clockwise, we can decrease or increase the airflow. So depending upon the size of table, we can adjust the airflow, and accordingly the ionization flow will be adjusted. On the rear side, we can see this is the fan. Before operating this unit, we need to just fit the dust filter. So we will show you the dust filter you will get along with this unit, but first we need to remove this cover, and then please rest this dust filter inside this cover and then fix it to the back side of this unit. See, this is how the dust filter is fixed onto the back side of this unit. Next is the uh, socket for connecting the power cord, and extreme bottom you can see the jack for connecting the external grounding cord. So this unit should be perfectly grounded to the external grounding point with the help of a grounding cord, which is provided along with this unit. One, you can see a preset switch is also provided on the rear side of this unit. This preset switch is used to increase or decrease the uh, positive or negative ion. So when we measure the ion balancing with the help of a ion balancer, we can, if we notice that the amount of positive ions is less, then we can increase the amount of positive ion by rotating the knob to the by rotating this preset switch to uh, anti-clockwise. And if we observe the quantity of negative ion comparatively low, then we can increase the negative ions by just rotating this preset switch clockwise. So we need a ion balancer for just measuring the ion positive and negative ions. Now we will connect the external power source to the this unit. It is on the rear side. So main 230-volt AC source is used to power on this unit. Then now we will switch on the unit, and you can see that fan is rotating, and now it is showering positive and negative ion. So it is with the combination of positive and negative ion, the static charge on the object is neutralized. So the principle is that since this uh, ionizer since this ionizer is flowing positive and negative ions, and if there are positive ions on the object, they will attract negative charge to neutralize the ions, and if there is a negative charge on the object, it will attract the positive ions which will be flowing through this ionizer, and then these ions will be neutralized. So this is the basic principle. So this ionizer is flowing both positive and negative ions, and in this way the static charge or ions on the object are neutralized. So next we will see how this ionizer is used to neutralize the charge developed on an object. So we will use a external electrostatic field meter to observe the charge developed on an object, and then we will see how this uh, ionizer is used to neutralize that charge, and the efficiency of this ionizer will also be checked. So first we will charge this a polythene bag by rubbing it against a charged object. So now we have rubbed this polythene bag, and we can see that charge is developed, and it can be measured on this electrostatic field meter 220. Now we will switch on this ionizer and focus it on the object, and we can see that the charge is neutralized, and we can see the charge is neutralizing rapidly, and it is virtually zero within a few seconds. So we can see that the charge developed on an object is neutralized with the help of this ionizer, and it is clearly visible on the display of electrostatic field meter as well. So with the help of these knobs, we can just adjust the positioning of this ionizer, and it can be so that it can be focused on a particular object to cover that object. So these knobs are used to adjust the positioning of this ionizer. So now we have seen that this ionizer is very useful for just neutralizing the charge developed on an object, and it is extremely useful for clean room application where minimum static charge should be required, and virtually it should be zero, and with the help of this ionizer, the charge developed on positive negative charge developed on an object is neutralized. So we highly recommend you to buy this product from India Enterprises, so that your clean room protection is complete, and you are working in a static safe environment. So hope you will like this video and it will prove useful to you. Thanks for watching.